Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to review, or actually install, the Osmo Pocket Spigen Glass R Slim, whatever this is called, the screen protector from Spigen. So I already opened it. There's a squeegee inside. Inside its bag. I already took it out. I think there's some stickers. Stickers here. Thank you for your purchase. And then another bag there contains a total of 2 of the big screen, and then there's another one in there. And then this is the small screen, the lens protector. So 2 of these, put that aside, and then you get a alcohol wipe, and then you got a microfiber cloth here. Sticker. So I'm gonna take this out. This is out soon. Is this soon? It's out focus. I need a new camera. This thing doesn't zoom very well. Trying to clean it. And there's some water. Alright, looks kind of clean enough, but you want to use the Spigen brand alcohol wipe. Dust removing, oil cleaning, quick drying, fingerprint removing. Wow, precautions. Containing water, ethanol, alcohol. Made in China, okay. What else? Alright. Wiped it cleaned. Yeah, it's very clean. Use the other side, wipe the lens. Focus. Wipe it again. Ugh. It's a little tough. Oh, now I put fingerprint on the lower big screen. Clear it again. Focus. Focus. We need to focus. Alright, that's trash. So now I'll be in focus. Okay, so take that thing out. The screen got stuck inside here. Wow. Oh shoot. Right. So you can see it's like transparent. You guys just zoom out a little bit. Oh, why can't I zoom out? What the hell? Jesus. God, the weather is hot, okay? But that doesn't mean the lens has to melt. So this is the back. Remove. No. Adhesive. What? Adhesive side. Remove. Wait, I'm confused. Which is which? Damn it. Why can't these be just simple? What do you mean back? Adhesive side. So if I peeled this, that's the adhesive side and this is the front. Okay, so I use this, peel it and put it on like that, I guess. User manual. Wipe it. Peel off a protective film from the back of the glass by using the tab marked back. Okay, I guess that's correct. Well, whatever. Alright, here we go. Focus, focus. I need to focus. I need to concentrate. Alright, peel the back. So that's the sticky side over here. And I'm gonna land it like this. Oh shit. Sticky side. Is that it? Is that good enough? Alright, squeegee time. Squeegee. And then, yeah, maybe that's good. Peel it off. Ooh. What? Why is there some stretch? Some stretch mark on that thing. Scratch mark. Am I seeing things? Oh great. This thing already has oil on it. What the fuck? Like what the hell, man? See that smudge? Oh my god. That's crazy. Right, here comes the alcohol part. It's not working. No. There's like streak of grease and stuff on it. And I don't care. That doesn't matter much. More importantly is the lens part. So the lens. Ugh. There you go. Yeah. Seems clean enough. Alright, so that's done. That's nothing. And that is the lens protector screen. So where's the back? Okay, this is the back. Peel this and then land this on that thing. I don't know why I have that dot thing in here. Why do I have a dot at the edge of my lens? Oh well, too bad. Because it's on sale, that's why. Oh, that dot came off. That's actually a speck of dust. Alright. There's no stickiness to it. What the hell? Ugh, so frustrating. What's going on? Wait a minute. Where's the sticky thing? It doesn't stick. Alright, I feel a little stickiness, but barely. This sucks, man. Squeegee is too big for this lens. Dude, did I peel that thing off? Oh, crap. It's not in here anymore. It's here. Okay. I see what's going on. It's over here. Great. Freaking great. Now I need to use a sticker. That's not how you use the sticker. The sticker's not intended to use it like this. So hopefully that was the back. And then I'm gonna land it over here. Dude, I probably scratched the lens doing that crap. Uh-oh, it's lopsided. It won't come out. Great. Great. Alright. Good thing you guys watched it. So, make sure you peel this back really slow so it won't come off the front. Now it's not coming out. Alright, let me see if I can pick it. But you guys know what's going on. Whoa. What a pain in the behind. Oh shoot, I ruined it. Game over, man. I ruined the heat. I just ruined the adhesive. It's not gonna be perfect. And now I got another speck of dust on it. Come on, dust. This is kind of lame. It's semi-okay. As long as the lens is not all blocked up, whatever. So now I squeegee it a little bit. Yeah, it's a little off, but maybe a nanometer off. And now get a new sticker, and supposedly, no, not this sticker. Do not throw it away. Use to remove dust before installing. Is it recyclable? Reusable? I'm gonna reuse it, huh? See, yeah, that's messed up. So, yeah, overall, not the best installing experience, but what the hell? It's better than bare. Oh man, this is not good. Let me see if I can show it to you. Got the reflection here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some kind of an air or the thing is not completely stick to it. It's like curved, so you see these little like the adhesive is not really sticking. That sucks, man. So you can see, you zoom in a little bit. No. Zoom in. And get that reflection there. So probably hard to see, but that adhesive is coming off. So you see an edge pattern. That's gonna affect the image, is it? Anyway, well, that's the review of this product. I'm just gonna take it off. This product received a what, 2-star? I don't know, you be the judge. I'm gonna have to take a test shots of this weirdness. I mean, the bottom screen part is fine, it's really good, but the lens part, not so much. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you in whoever is looking into buying these. I think I'm just gonna switch to a lens filter or a polarized lens filter instead, so I can protect it and at the same time, you know, filter out stuff, reflection. Alright, thanks, bye.